Greetings. I have decided, well, the story is that this bench, I don't know if I should call it a Roubo bench or not. It doesn't have that quite of a feature of a Roubo bench. But it's a workbench, solid maple, and I'm trying to restore it. The story is that it was built by a student at the fashion college. That's what I was told. And he ended up not picking it up after his graduation. A friend of mine bought it later on and kept it in his shop for a bit, a couple of years. And then, as it happened, I went to the shop, I saw this, I liked it. I always wanted to have a Roubo type workbench. Since he was not using it, it was just sitting on a corner grabbing dust, I thought I'll buy it from him and restore it, because he was mentioning that, you know what, the legs are, the mortise and tenon are loose, they're just not properly glued, and the vices are not properly functional. This one on the shoulder, actually, it's binding. The other one, the face is kind of wobbly, and I don't like it. I'm trying to repair, make quite a bit of a repair. Anyhow, this is the plan for the next bit, to restore it. I don't know if I'm going to be using it here on this shop or take it to the room where I got to be. My wife is going to build small toys with wood, so we might end up having it there. So I'm undecided yet. But first, let's get this thing fixed up. Now, here's the major issue with the vise, the shoulder vise. You see, as the jaw gets opened, I'm trying to get them. Oh, obviously the handle needs to be replaced as well. So this is another fix I need to be addressing. So as the jaw opens up, let me get the mic close by so you can hear it. So that's what is happening. I think there's a bind around the rail here, not the actual screw, but the rail, the guiding rail, because that's what I hear. Anyhow, it needs to be addressed, which I'm going to be doing right now after all wiping up and cleaning. So there's another issue that has just came up while I was attaching the leg. The legs are pretty much glued up, those mortise and tenons here on both sides. But the leg assembly, which gets attached to the top, there are two blocks here, one here and one on the other side. And these two blocks, I think it's just wood movement over these years that caused them, either the top is warped or something, but I can see by the feeling of it that these blocks are a little bit proud to the actual underside of the table. So I'm trying to, again, it happened on both of these things. I'm trying to get them out, plane them, put them back in. And initially there were just only one lag screw holding the top, the leg assembly to the top. I'm going to be using two on either side, here and here and there and there. Plus, I am going to be using a couple of dowels to go through the tenons to make it solid, because I don't trust only mortise and tenon on a workbench, which is lots of movements, lots of beating up. It's going to happen on this workbench. So I will do those pegs, two on each mortise, and make it more solid. Okay, so here she is. We ended up cleaning it up, fixing, polishing, and bring it over here in our dining area. For the time being, it's going to be living here, serving multiple purposes. My wife is going to work on it. We are going to be using it as a dining table possibly, because it's such a nice matching table to my profession, which is a carpenter. I'm a woodworker. Anyhow, it has been a nice project to work on, and I'm going to be signing off for now. Hopefully, I'll see you on the next one.